question is differentiate the following function with respect to x. And the function here is x times 2x minus 3 times root of x minus 2. So first we assign a name to this function, say y. So let y be equal to x into 2x minus 3 into root of x minus 2. Now here we have three terms, but it is possible to multiply the first two terms. So let's perform this multiplication and then we'll take the derivative. So here if you multiply x into 2x, so that becomes 2x square. X into minus 3 is minus 3x into root of x minus 2. And now we take the derivative. So we have differentiating with respect to x. Now we apply the u into v rule or the product rule. So dy by dx. Now the product rule is the first term into derivative of second term plus second term into derivative of the first term. So we have 2x square minus 3x into derivative of root of x minus 2 plus, now the reverse, root of x minus 2 into derivative of 2x square minus 3x. So here we have applied the product rule or the multiplication rule. So we proceed further. So we have 2x square minus 3x. Now derivative of root of x minus 2. Now here we need to apply the chain rule. Now we know that derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. But instead of x, we have x minus 2. So when we take the derivative, we'll have 1 upon 2 root x minus 2 into derivative of x minus 2. So here we have applied the chain rule plus root of x minus 2 into, now here we take derivative of individual function, it's a basic subtraction. So 2 times, now derivative of x square is 2x minus 3 times derivative of x is 1. So if we simplify this further, we'll have 2x square minus 3x. We could write this as upon 2 root x minus 2 into, now again we have a subtraction over here. So derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 2 is 0. So plus root of x minus 2 times, now this product will be 2x into 2, so that's 4x minus 3. Now let us try and equalize the denominator. Let's simplify this. So here we have 2x square minus 3x into 1, so that's 2x square minus 3x upon 2 root x minus 2. Now here basically we have upon 1, right? So if you want to equalize the denominator, we need to multiply and divide by 2 root x minus 2. So let's do that. So we have root of x minus 2 into 4x minus 3 into 2 root x minus 2. And now we could divide by 2 root x minus 2. So we have the same denominator. So we have equalized the denominators here. So we have 2x square minus 3x. Let us simplify this part. Now root of x minus 2 into root of x minus 2. So that's x minus 2. Right? So root a into root a is a. Okay, so here we get 2, this particular 2, into root x minus 2 into root x minus 2. So that's x minus 2 into 4x minus 3. The whole thing divided by 2 root x minus 2. So only simplification is left over here. So we have 2x square minus 3x plus 2 times, let's multiply these two brackets, x into 4x is 4x square, x into minus 3 is minus 3x, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8x, minus 2 into minus 3 is positive 6, divided by 2 root x minus 2. So finally what we get here is 2x square minus 3x. Now 2 into 4x square, 2 4s is 8x square. This would be minus 6x. This product would be minus 16x, and 2 6s, that's 12, upon 2 root x minus 2. So finally we have 8x square plus 2x square, that's 10x square, minus 3x minus 6x, that's minus 9x, and minus 9x minus 16x, so that's minus 25x, and the only constant here is 12, so plus 12 divided by 2 root x minus 2. So this is the value for dy by dx.